Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some slime. You need Emerald School Glue, baking soda, contact solution in a bowl, and something to mix it. Now first, you want to get some glue. Pour like 1 drop of glue or something like that. How many glue you want to pour? It all. Make it slime. It ain't gonna take me long. Add the container. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start mixing. See how it turns out. Don't use borax, guys. Please don't just go to this slime. Next slime recipe.
No way, you throwing stuff on the table.
It's not. Look at some stuff. Cameron, look! Slime! Okay. Have obviously.
Guys, let me show you how you play with
Ooh, this is sweet. It's sweet, y'all. This is how we do the slime. Put that up.
This is a shout out to y'all. This is how you make slime and all. And
Shout out to
Shout out to
LPS. Shout out movies.
Put back.
My baking soda. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Now, gonna get